Hello everyone. Today's I am discuss robotics and robot types and uses. Robotics is the combination of science, engineering, and technology that results in devices called robots that replace, or imitate, human actions. Popular culture has long been fascinated with robots. R2-D2. Prime, Optimus. Types of robotics. 1. Robots with pre-programmed programs. 2. Humanoid robots. 3. Self-driving robots. 4. Telecontrolled robots. 5. Robot assisting. How do robots work? 1. Independent robots. And 2. Dependent robots. Robotics components. 1. Admin system. 2. Sensors. 3. Actuators. 4. Power supply. 5. End users. Robotic uses. 1. Logistics. 2. Home. In. 3. Travel. 4. Healthcare. More details click on the below link. And like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching.